camera right now. This is our first vlog, so I'm sorry if the vlog is a little shabby. It's a little all over the place. We didn't plan it out properly, so I'm sorry about that. We'll try to improve from the next vlog. So yesterday we shot my friend Rohan's GT3 RS. He recently made some visual mods to the car. The car is black in color. It had green accents and golden rims earlier. Now the car is completely black again with black rims and red accents. It looks amazing. Luckily, I got to drive the car on Palm Beach Road, which is a very big opportunity for me. I love supercars. We all love supercars, and to drive one of the best track cars from Porsche was a great opportunity for me. So I got to drive it, and the car was ridiculous. It is very aggressive, and this goes without saying, extremely fast. So enough of talking. I'll let you enjoy the vlog. We are here at Palm Beach Road, Navi Mumbai. We'll be shooting the GT3 RS. It's my friend's car. It's a very well-spec car, but he's made some modifications to it after he bought the car. Mostly cosmetic, no mechanical changes whatsoever right now. We're on this beautiful stretch of road which is called the Palm Beach Road. It's located in Navi Mumbai, and we'll be doing some shoots over here in the future again, but mainly our primary focus is to be the GT3 RS today, which is an extremely fast car. Hopefully I'll get to drive it, fingers crossed. Let's see what this car is ridiculous. I swear this is the scariest thing I've had to ever do in my life, is to drive this car. I am not even joking right now about how scary it is. It's very intimidating. It's a very plush ride for a supercar, although it's so track oriented. We're on Palm Beach Road right now, and it's all thanks to my friend Rohan for making this happen. So thanks a lot, Rohan. I'm shaking, honestly. As hard as it is to believe, this car is actually driving like a normal car at normal speeds, and it's just unbelievable how normal it can feel when you don't really step on it, or when you don't really want to push it. It's just a normal car, and it attracts a hell of a lot of attention, that's for sure. We have the entire Palm Beach to ourselves. Everyone's given me the car for some time. Let's see how this works. Bro, car may be the best track car, like the second best track car I guess from Porsche, but trust me, it's scary. I swear it's the scariest thing I have ever driven, but it's also one of the most exciting things I've ever driven. And honestly, like I'm at a loss of words, like about what an insane car this is. What an insane opportunity this is for me to be behind the wheel of such an insane supercar. Honestly, like I can't thank Rohan enough for giving me this car to drive. Uh, wow, I mean, damn. Other than that, it's a very comfortable place to be in. It's not really uncomfortable to sit as well. Like I've been in it for a good 15-20 minutes, and I am pretty comfortable. The seats are so snug. In the corners when I was somewhat ripping it. Sorry, Rohan. It really, the seats held me in place very well. As you can see, I'm cruising at 50 right now, and we're in traffic, but the car is just performing very well. I'll soon have to get out of it, give it back to Rohan, but thank you so much, bro, for this experience. We'll be shooting this car very soon. Right now, we've just taken it out for a spin. We'll be clicking some pictures with it, and yeah, I'm just gonna try to enjoy the drive for now, and we'll get to the pictures very soon. So, what a shoot it has been, and what a day it was. Trust me, the experience of driving that car was amazing. I have, no idea how I was able to floor that car so much, but it was an amazing experience. Trust me, words can't describe how I feel after I've driven that car. So here are some of the pictures that I clicked. I wasn't able to really explain how I clicked those pictures a lot because Rohan was in a hurry and we were short of time. But from the next vlog, I'll be sure to explain how I click pictures and how I go about it. So here are some of the shots that I clicked and I edited. Uh, this picture was the first shot that I clicked. It was like a test shot, so I wasn't really thinking about what to do. And I was not really sure of how it would turn out, but when I put it into Lightroom, it turned out very well with the edit that I did. Oh, and by the way, all these pictures I have edited with my preset which I just created. It's called Orange Afternoon. I'll make a separate tutorial on how I made that preset so you all understand it very well. Then I clicked some shots in portrait, some close-up shots, and I got some detailed shots as well, and some landscape shots. So I hope you all like these pictures. I will be uploading all of them on my Instagram soon, so do follow me there. I will also link Shivam's Instagram below and Rohan's Instagram. Please be sure to follow them. Also, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.